Hi friends, today Georgi in my home right now, and Shaira bought for him, I don't know, it's Filipino traditional foods. He never tried before, and he want to try. he, he don't know it's good or not.
Yes.
Okay, Georgi, you start, because I really don't know. I also not tried before.
It's a stomach of pork. Pig. Smell? Yes. Oil.
Smell oil, yes?
Yes, oil. Fry it in oil.
What taste? Good taste. Like chips? or not?
Yes, like chips.
Same like chips. Handmade chips in the Philippines.
Yes. If Shaira did not tell me it's a stomach, I think it's chips only.
So you can buy
Yes. It's,
later. So you like it, yes?
maybe it's not useful for health because it's fried in oil, but I don't know what oil is used. I'm not sure it's coconut oil. Maybe oil, I don't know, sunflower or maybe
I think don't have sunflower oil in the
Sunflower.
Philippines.
what oil they use.
Palm oil.
Palm oil.
Maybe not. Maybe coconut oil. Maybe soy oil. I don't know what kind of oil.
Yes,
So taste
okay.
is good, yes?
Yes, good. You try.
Okay, Leon will try.
Good.
Yes. It's good. I remember when I lived before in the USSR. No, you remember? Have same, a little bit same taste. Chips.
No, it's not a stomach.
But what is it?
Yes, she tell first time she tell it's stomach, but after that she tell it's a skin only, not
Skin.
stomach.
So
Skin.
this is skin.
But it's a tube. That's why I think it's a stomach. But she tell only skin. You see the tube. Maybe not a stomach. Yes. But it's okay.
Really good. If you're hungry, you can buy and eat.
And how much is? You don't know.
I think maybe 10 or 20 peso maximum. You seen this guy who seller, yes?
Yes.
He take big,
Back.
very big bag.
Yes.
So you already know. If you're so hungry, you can buy and drink water. And you're already full, not need go to eat in restaurant.